discover the best NEC projectors designed to deliver exceptional brightness, sharp visuals, and long-lasting performance for home theaters, classrooms, and professional presentations. Whether you need stunning 4K clarity or reliable everyday projection, NEC offers innovative solutions that combine durability, advanced features, and outstanding image quality. Starting at number 1. NEC Professional Video Projector. The NEC NP-P502W is a powerful professional projector designed for classrooms, conference rooms, and large presentation spaces, offering bright and clear visuals with its 1280 by 800 WXGA resolution, 20:0:0:1 contrast ratio, and strong built-in 20W speaker. It features HD-Base-T for simple long-distance video and audio transmission, dual HDMI ports for quick input switching, and digital keystone correction for flexible installation. With an impressive 8,000-hour eco-mode lamp life, this projector reduces maintenance and overall cost, making it a reliable and efficient choice for educational and professional environments. Number 2. NEC NP-M282X Projector. The NEC NP-M282X is a compact and reliable projector designed for classrooms and small meeting rooms, offering a native 1024 by 768 XGA resolution, 2800 lumen brightness, and a 10:0:0:1 contrast ratio for clear and vibrant presentations. It supports HDMI and wireless connectivity, is 3D ready, and includes built-in speakers for simple, all-in-one use. With easy setup features like automatic keystone correction and long lamp life, the NP-M282X delivers dependable performance and low-maintenance operation, making it a practical choice for everyday educational and business needs. Number 3. Epson Home Cinema LS11000 4K Pro. The Epson Home Cinema LS11000 is a premium 4K Pro UHD laser projector designed for home theaters, gaming, and versatile entertainment setups, offering stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution through advanced pixel shifting and a true 3-chip 3 LCD engine that ensures outstanding brightness and color accuracy without rainbowing. With its powerful laser array light source delivering 2500 lumens of both color and white brightness, it produces vivid, sharp images even in rooms with some ambient light. Enhanced by Epson's precision shift glass plate, dedicated picture processor, full 10-bit HDR support, including HDR10 Plus and HLG, and an exceptional dynamic contrast ratio of over 1:200:0:0:1, the LS11000 delivers deep blacks, rich highlights, and impressive clarity. Gamers benefit from its 120 Hz refresh rate and HDMI 2.1 compatibility, while installation is made easy with motorized lens shift, zoom, and focus. This projector stands out as a top choice for anyone seeking a cinematic, high-performance, and future-ready viewing experience. Number 4. BenQ TK700ST 4K Projector. The BenQ TK700ST is a 4K HDR short-throw gaming projector that delivers 3840 by 2160 UHD resolution and 3000 lumens of brightness, producing sharp, vibrant images even in rooms with some ambient light. Its short-throw lens can project a 100 screen from just 6.5 feet away, making it ideal for compact spaces, while HDMI connectivity ensures versatile input options. Designed for gaming, the TK700ST offers low input lag of around 16 milliseconds at 4K at 60 Hz for smooth, responsive gameplay and supports HDR10/HLG with wide color coverage for rich, accurate visuals. With its combination of gaming performance, high-quality 4K projection, and space-efficient design, it is a great choice for gamers and home entertainment enthusiasts seeking a large, immersive viewing experience. Number 5. NEC NP-P502WL DLP Projector. The NEC NP-P502WL2 is a high-brightness WXGA, 1280 by 800, DLP projector delivering 5000 lumens, making it ideal for classrooms, meeting rooms, and large venue presentations even in well-lit environments. It offers a flexible 1.3:2.2:1 throw ratio, allowing screen sizes from 30 to 300, and features broad connectivity options including HD-Base-T, dual HDMI, VGA, and composite video, along with a built-in 20W speaker for convenient audio. With a long-lasting laser light source rated up to 20,000 hours, the NP-P502WL provides sharp, vivid images with minimal maintenance, making it a reliable and versatile choice for professional and educational settings.